Hello. Do you suffer from muscle cramps frequently? You are not alone. Muscle cramps are quite common, and many treatment options are available. Many people face challenges in discovering effective remedies. We've gathered some facts from leading scientists across the country. In this video, we'll look at some popular treatments for muscle cramps.
Magnesium. Many people use magnesium to treat muscle cramps. However, according to the American Academy of Neurology and Harvard Health, magnesium is unlikely to help relieve muscle cramps. It is true that nearly half of Americans don't get enough magnesium. However, the National Institutes of Health indicates that symptomatic magnesium deficiency due to low dietary intake in otherwise healthy people is uncommon, because the kidneys efficiently regulate the urinary excretion of this mineral. Nonetheless, those who experience chronic kidney disease are malnourished, suffer from chronic diarrhea, have type 2 diabetes, are alcohol dependent, take certain medications, are elderly, may experience magnesium deficiencies due to underlying digestive or metabolic issues. In short, magnesium deficiency may occur, but under certain conditions, such as older age, chronic diarrhea, malnutrition, etc. Quinine. Many people use quinine to treat muscle cramps, but the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has banned its use for muscle cramps, stating that quinine is not considered safe and effective for treating or preventing leg cramps. Quinine is associated with serious and life-threatening adverse events. Melatonin. Some people turn to melatonin to treat muscle cramps, especially nighttime leg cramps. However, it is important to note that melatonin may actually worsen the symptoms, because nighttime leg cramps are not a circadian rhythm sleep disorder that melatonin treats. Vitamin B. Vitamin B complex consists of a group of 8 essential B vitamins. Some studies suggest that daily supplementation with these vitamins may help in reducing the occurrence of cramps. Sulfan is another option. It is a natural remedy that has been used to treat muscle cramps for decades. According to the National Library of Medicine, sulfan can relieve muscle cramps caused by dialysis, cirrhosis, spinal stenosis, and more. It provides quick relief with little or no side effects. In short, there are many treatments available, and it is important to choose the right one, as muscle cramps can be caused by a variety of reasons.